Yo, what's good? Welcome back to another trade recap. I'm sorry about the week absence. I had a lot on my plate, really, and it was a lot, and I didn't have time to record at all. But I'll show y'all last week's results. It was all right. It was better than the week before. A couple wins, losses. We're actually down to like 3,900, but we got it back up. So this was today. And the last one, wait, I'm pretty sure it has the date on here, no? Was today the 7th? Yeah, so it must have been the 3rd. Okay. Yes, this is my last day. I was just going crazy. I was testing out like like I said in a couple videos back, it's not a new strategy, but I just basically simplified what my strategy is. And I took out some stuff like for example, I took out order blocks, I took out breaker blocks, all that stuff, and I just broke it down into like all my highs and lows. I don't mark like every high and low. I just marked like the previous day high and low, the Asian session high and low, like the highest and the lowest points, and then London session high and low, and then I wait for the one of those to get hit, and I go on the 1 minute, and then I enter off that. But like I treat it like as a liquidity sweep. That's what it is. It's sweeping liquidity off those important areas. But yeah, that's basically what I did. I basically just simplified it. I spent that week that I was busy last week. It was really busy, but I kind of just took that time to lock in and get everything done, and to learn and to improve my trading. And so I watched a couple videos. I tested it out. This was the day I was testing it out. It was the 3rd. See, a couple wins, couple losses. I could see that whole week of the 3rd. It was more wins than before, but still some losses. Hopefully this week we can get even more wins. This was today's trade right here. Let's get into it. Okay, so let me show y'all exactly what I do. So first of all, I go on the day. I never used to go on the day, but I just use it because it's easier, like to mark the previous day high and low. I literally just go to the previous day candle, mark the high and the low. Literally, that's it. And then I go on the 15-minute chart, and then I literally just turn on my kill zones, and I mark the highest high of Asian session and the lowest low of Asian session. Sorry about that. And then I go to London, highest high, lowest low. Okay? Simple as that. And I literally scale down to the 1 minute chart and just wait for one of these areas to get hit. Boom. Break a structure. And displacement. All right. I did add a little bit of new stuff in it, but it's not that complicated at all. Displacement is literally when a big push down or up and it makes a fair value gap. That's literally what displacement is. As you can see, displacement, I entered off that, put my stop loss above this high right here, put my take profit down at these London session lows. 2-to-1 risk reward ratio. This is a very good trade, very, very delicious trade. And yeah, it was a really good day today. But yeah, that's pretty much it. This week I'm not gonna be as busy, so I am gonna keep posting daily recaps. Of course, if I don't post, it's because I didn't trade that day. But yeah, all that last week I was really, really busy. I do school here at home on a computer that the school gave me, and so I had to travel for some ACT tests to like a next town over, and it's like 30 minutes away, and I had to do that like all week, and that's another reason why I was busy. But yeah, this week it should be a really good week this week for trading and YouTube. So see you on the next trade recap.